In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a free app that you can use if you're looking to earn a little bit of extra money. Hey, hello, my name is Ian Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you a free app that you can use on your cell phone. It doesn't matter, it's an Android or iOS. And also you can use it on your desktop or your laptop computer. I'm totally transparent with you guys. This is not my favorite way to earn money online. Yes, it can help you earn a couple of dollars. But if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay, now let me share with you the app, the website that actually you can use. Remember that if you only have your cell phone, you can also use it as well. You don't need to have a computer. You are not going to be creating a funnel. We're not going to be creating a system. Although I really like ways in which we can earn money in a passive way. Here we're going to be doing some tasks. And as far as I know, you can be doing this from all over the world. As far as I know, there is no restriction. Okay. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can join this this website, and it has an app as well, which is called Free Cash. Right now, by the time recording this video, you can sign up and you can receive a $5 sign up bonus. Just by signing up, you're going to be earning $5. Okay, so this is an app that has been around for really some time right now. And here you can see, for example, that you can earn up to $2 per offer. And right now they have over $100. Over 100 offers, not dollars, over 100 offers. You can join for free. You can join with your email address. You can join with the Google account. You can join with Facebook. Okay. So you can see the average time until people make their first catch. It's actually really fast. 17 minutes, 12 seconds. The average earned money yesterday was $38. And so far they have paid over $50 million. They have been recommended with payforsurgery.com, Bazinga, Superpolis. Okay. And this is actually really easy, really simple. You're going to know that you're going to choose the offer, you're going to complete the offer, and you're going to get paid. Okay. So one thing that I want to show you is the TrustPilot. Okay. This is an app that has been around for some time. As you can see right now, it has over 150,000 reviews. Right now it has 176,489 reviews. The average is 4.7 stars out of 5, which is amazing for the startup websites. And remember, they do have the app as well. And the other thing is that people are really earning money with this. Okay, you're not gonna get rich with this, but it shows you that people are really happy with this website, that people are really earning money with this. And people are satisfied with this. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you in a moment. Literally, you just need to sign up. Okay, you're going to choose the offer. You're going to complete the offer, and you are going to be earning. There are different things that you can do. For example, you can play games. I'm going to show you more about this in a moment because these offers are pretty attractive. You can earn between $1 and $120 with games. You can complete offers, with your favorite stores. If you're going to buy, why not get paid? You're going to earn between $1 and $75. You can complete surveys. Surveys are really quick. Earn $1 in a 5 to 10 minute survey. They do have highest payout, instant cash out, daily bonuses, different ways in which you can cash out. And here we can see the reviews. You can read about the FAQs and all this stuff. So once you join, this is how your dashboard is gonna look like. Okay. Right now, I don't know why my dashboard is giving me some kind of problem, but the other offers are not loading. I really don't know why the other offers are not loading. But here, for example, I have the gaming offers. Remember what I told you about the gaming offer? For example, we have this one, which they are paying $16. So you're going to click on it. Oh, and by the way, right now it's only showing the iOS and desktop because I don't have an Android device. Okay, so that's the reason why I have this unselected because I don't have an Android device, so it makes no sense for me to have it. But if you have it, go ahead and go for it. Okay. So for example, here we have the popularity score, 5 stars. You are going to be earning $16 to play. There are different things that you need to complete in order to earn. Okay. But if definitely gaming is for you, you're going to have a tons of offers here that literally you can follow. For example, we have this one, the jackpot land, $43, the Vegas Kino paying $43. We have others like the Coin Dozer, 68 cents. So you can combine them. Like, hey, I want to go one to pay, for example, the safe bet $30, but I also want to go with the skip bow. Okay. And this is actually for those, for example, who like the gaming offers, for those who like the surveys. Okay. Right now I just have this one, which is not paying that much, but it can add up. For example, I have this one, 10 cents. I have some offers with partners. Let me go back because I click it. Okay. We have some partners depending on your region and all the stuff. You can have more or you can have less. Also remember that I have the Android on tech. So that's the reason why maybe I'm having less offers than you have. Okay. This is something that um, is being updated on the daily basis. So you can earn, a couple of extra money here. Here we have other saver partners, offer partners. How do you cash the money? Okay. This is actually the options that I do have available. Okay, here the options that I do have available. For example, I can redeem on PayPal. Okay, and this is a cool thing. You can withdraw to your crypto wallet starting at just 50 cents because these are other, websites in which you need to earn a lot of money in order to withdraw it. Okay, you can, for example, withdraw to stake starting at 25 cents. If you want to withdraw to PayPal, for example, here the minimum it's $5. If you want to pass the money to your Visa, the minimum is $5. Here, for example, if I would like to withdraw to crypto, it's 64 cents. Here we have with Litecoin, it's 50 cents. Ethereum, it's 250. Dogecoins is $1.50. So this is actually doable. And I think this is another reason why people are really happy with this website is because they can achieve these goals. Okay. They can, meet this minimum in order to withdraw the money. Okay. So that's something that makes people happy. And, you know, there are simple tasks. There are all kind of tasks that you can actually do if you really want to, earn some extra cash with this. Remember that you're not going to get rich with this. Okay. This is not something that it's going to replace maybe your full-time job, but definitely it's a way in which you're looking to earn your first dollars online. Definitely it's going to help you. There are tons of options. You can actually share with your friends as well. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoy this content. Isn't much that I can tell to you about this. Just go ahead, use it, have fun with it. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.